Hello world, welcome to codingscientist.com. We are on project number 3, or you can call it as lesson number 3. In this lesson, I am going to talk about email slicer application, a simple, very simple application called email slicer. So let me share my IDE. Alright, so what this code does, this is just about, again, as I said, it's a very simple, and these are all some very basic apps which you guys need to understand, especially for the beginners, right? You can start playing around so that you can get into advanced algorithms and stuff. So the email slicer is, as I said, it's just about 5 lines of code. So basically it's very useful program for separating the username and domain name of an email address. In this particular project, you can see how you can write the program to create an email slicer with Python. To create an email slicer with Python, the basic task is to retrieve the username and the domain name of the email. For example, look at this particular image, which sorry, the code which shows info at coding scientist. If I type info at coding scientist, my email, so we will have to divide the email into two different strings at the rate as a separator, right? So that the both the strings are separated with at the rate symbol. So let's see how it works. So let me just run this code and I will show you a quick demo. Let me just run. I think run button you may not be able to see because my video recording is just blocking this particular button, or else you can also do a right click, run Python file in terminal. See at the bottom, either you can do this or you can click the green button, either which ways. So if I run enter your email ID, right? So in the terminal you can see it's asking for enter your email ID. I'm going to enter my email ID, info at the rate codingscientist.com. Hit enter. Let me enter. Now it says your username is info and your domain name is codingscientist.com. Let me kill this program. Alright guys, it's a pretty simple program. So this code is very simple and easy to understand. So we basically we are taking the user input and the and use the strip function at the same time to remove white space if there is any white spaces in between, right? Then we are finding the index of at the rate, right? At the rate in a single code, you can see it in the code symbol of the user input. Then we store the index into the variable known as domain name, domain underscore name. Basically that's the variable to split the email into two parts, the username and the domain name. And then finally we are just formatting to print the actual output. So this particular code can be enhanced, and you can add more ideas depending upon your need, guys. You can do ton loads of things with this just about 5-6 lines of code. As a beginner, if you are really a beginner, you must try these types of programs to improve your coding skills. It's very important. In the long run, it will also help you to build your algorithms and increase your ability to think logically. All right guys, I will come back to you soon with several more projects. See you. Bye bye.